By the end of this video, you will say goodbye to YouTube ads forever. With this simple YouTube hack tricks I'm about to reveal in this video, will help you watch unlimited YouTube videos without an annoying ad interrupting your experience or your entertainment. I will show you exactly how to do this from A to Z from scratch using an amazing browser called Brave. If you do not have the Brave application on your phone, you can head to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download it before you carry on the process. But before we get started, please do me a quick favor to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future tricks or any future content like this one. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I'm about to flip the screen to show you everything you need to do to stop the ads on your video, step-by-step tutorial. Don't skip ahead. Let me show you exactly how to do this. Let's dive in. Open your Brave app. As you can see on my phone screen is the Brave app I downloaded from Google Play Store. Once you done that, open the Brave app, wait for it to load, use the search bar and type YouTube. When this appears, you can click on a YouTube. Alright, so when the interface is like this, click the setting icon in the top right corner. The setting icon in the top right corner. Alright, scroll down until you find ad-free search result. This means that when you turn this setting on, whenever you search for a video on YouTube, when you are watching it, ads will not appear on it. But you have to be a premium member. Let's check the requirement. Okay, once you turn it on, wait for it to load. For monthly payment, you have to subscribe. You have to pay $3. It is a small money. If you want for annual or yearly payment, you can go for the $29.99. It is a small money. You can pay this and watch YouTube free ads. So let me drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching this video.